Hello internet friends, in this video we are continuing to install the inboard rib on the right fuel tank. I think the only thing we have left here to do is basically create fillets of Pro-Seal, which is easier said than done because there's this wing attach bracket in the way. So it's kind of messy. Gotta reach inside, and I think I managed to miss a couple of holes that I shouldn't have missed, but I found them anyway, so no worries. Now the only thing left to do is install the fuel sender, or not the sender, but the level indicator. So, gotta create a float. I will do that in a subsequent video. After all of the Pro-Seal is cured, which will probably be tomorrow or a previous day, depending on when this video has been published on YouTube. Let's see, what tips can I give here? There's tiny little holes in the corners. Make sure that they actually have, like, you want to push the Pro-Seal from the inside out. Like if I did this again, I would make sure that I did that. And I would probably put globs of Pro-Seal in the corners before I push the ribs into place. So I think I'm fine now. I think I finally got it. But now you can see, obviously, that, oops, I was supposed to blind rivet this. It's really hard to blind rivet in a confined space with the hand riveter. I wish I would have just gone to, or done this when I installed it, or before I installed it. In fact, I did it in one of the holes, and then I completely missed doing it in the other hole. So now I'm just trying to get leverage to pull that riveter, which I think I've succeeded. So now an inspection mirror is required to make sure that I put Pro-Seal over the rivet head. You definitely want an inspection mirror to build the tanks. I think I've got mine at Harbor Freight for like $2. So it's not super expensive, but it's a necessary tool. Also, you can see I was just wiping my arms off because I got Pro-Seal all over them. My recommendation is to have Pro-Seal clothes because you're going to get Pro-Seal on them. And then just wear the same clothes every time you Pro-Seal. Luckily, I'm almost done. So, also, I wouldn't recommend putting the Pro-Seal clothes in the wash with your normal clothes that you wear. I mean, you could probably do it if you let it cure for a few days, but I wouldn't immediately do it. So if you are also questioning whether to wash your Pro-Seal clothes or not, the answer is don't. You won't like the results. But if you happen to, and it is hilarious, then come post it on the Wall of Shame in our Slack group. Just scan the QR code, join the Wall of Shame channel, and post all the pictures. And then we will laugh at you. And I will laugh at you there and in the next video probably.